Emily.
And my name's Jordan. We spent the last 3 years saving as much as we could with a plan to start exploring the world in March 2022.
We've seen some incredible places, but a few weeks ago we traded pyramids for piazzas and have been exploring Europe ever since. So we've been in Poland for a few days now and we wanted to make our way from beautiful Gdansk all the way to Krakow. The thing is, that would have been like a massive 12-hour overnight bus, and since we've done that coming from the Netherlands, we don't really want to do it again. We've come to the country's capital of Warsaw and we've got a day here just to break up the journey a bit, but it looks like there's a lot to do.
Let's go see Warsaw. So the bus that we took from Gdansk only got in here at like midnight last night.
And it's already midday.
Yeah.
May have needed a sleep in after that one. After last night's bus journey and getting into the Airbnb at 1 a.m. in the morning, we need a big coffee. So we've come to this spot which is just down the road. It seems like it's one of the more reasonably priced places and it does Snickers lattes.
Thank you.
Wow. So Jordan's got one of them. I've gone for a honey cinnamon flavour. Good start to the day. Smells like speculoos cookies back from the Netherlands. It tastes like Christmas in a cup. I'm very happy. And look how big it is. Yay! We kind of forgot what it's like to be in a city and keep getting amazed by all of the skyscrapers. But it is such a beautiful day in Warsaw. All the clouds in the sky are the cute little light fluffy ones. Everyone's out and about walking around in the sun. So we have about a half-hour walk to our next stop, the Old City. Old Square?
Old Town.
Old Town. We are loving Warsaw already. First of all, it's just nice that we're walking around without our big puffy jackets on for a change because the weather is amazing. But we're inside this massive park at the moment and there's like lakes and buildings and water fountains. It's so cool.
Did not expect that. We were just walking through the park and it looks like there's some sort of military demonstration on the tomb of the forgotten soldier. It kind of sounded like the changing of the guards, but it's cool to see.
Flipping cute is the Old Town Square. Look at all of the colourful buildings and then the alfresco dining. There's some guy playing like a traditional instrument, but I don't really know how it works. It's so cute.
The mermaid in the middle of this square is kind of the city symbol. It's on cabs and on buses and on bars and pretty much everywhere. The legend goes that there was twin girls who were also mermaids, half fish, half women. One of them swam up the local river here, plopped herself down in Warsaw and was like, this is cool. They built a monument after her and she kind of stayed there. And her twin mermaid went to Denmark and is now the one that's in Copenhagen.
Hopefully one day we can go see this one's twin. It is beautiful there. There's musicians, a fountain in the middle, all of the cool seating, like the alfresco dining from all of the expensive restaurants that we can't afford. So now we're gonna go find somewhere we can afford. Cream break. This is the wishing bell. You walk around it 3 times and apparently your wish will come true. It never got to go up into a bell tower because it cracked, I think.
What'd you wish for?
I can't say or it won't come true. I did hurt myself though.
Yeah?
It's like instantly bruised.
I think she just wished for lunch because we're going to go to a market hall and get something to eat.
We've come to our final stop of the day, some market hall in this old school looking building, and it just has a bunch of different locations for restaurants, bars, everything's so hip and trendy. I'm hungry though, so it's time for dinner.
Bingo bar. We've had such a good day in Warsaw, but we picked up some burritos. That is heavy. Picked up some burritos to finish the day, and then we're pretty much going to go to bed because tomorrow we've got another early bus going all the way to Krakow.
It looks like Christmas decorations. I love it. Can you imagine here at Christmas? Oh my gosh.